Alright, hello everyone and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elastic Certified Engineering exam, and today with a new topic where we see how we can define and use a custom analyzer that satisfy a given set of requirements. As you can see, we have a note minus here, and this means this topic will not be included in the new release of the exam, which is 8.15 after January 24. So if you're planning to do your exam after this date, this topic will be not included. With that being said, let's jump to the documentation. So if you search for analyzers in Elasticsearch, the analyzers will help us to do specific things in the text fields, right? So in Elasticsearch, when we index a document, or when we index a field that's text type, we will put in a token every word, right? And the analyzers will help us to manipulate the content, right? If it is lowercase, we can make it as uppercase, and the inverse, if it's in uppercase, we can put it in lowercase. We can remove stop words like and or and any other stop words. We can define our own analyzer to do specific things, right? So here we have an example in the documentation. We will define the three analyzers. The first one is to tokenize all the words. The second one will remove the stop words, and the second or the last one will be sitting for phrase queries that will not remove the stop words, right? So this is the three examples that we're gonna use. So the first one is gonna tokenize or put in a token each word from the input, right? And we'll make sure that it's in lowercase. The second one we will remove, or we will lowercase and remove the stop words, and the last one, or this is the English stop, so here is we remove the stop words. So defining our index here, right, we will use in the settings, we will use these analyzers, and here in the out, or here in the mapping, we're gonna use these analyzers in a field. We name it here a title. So the type is a text. Again, we apply the analyzers only on a text field, and this is the three analyzers, or this is the three analyzers we're gonna use. So let's copy paste this example. Here we go. Let's go to our environment. Let's remove what we have here. Here we go. Now this is our inputs. Let's run the command. So here we have created this index with this specific settings and mappings, right? So let's get the index and see what we have. So if we do, for example, if we get the mapping, here we have the mapping. So the title, we have only one field, and this is the analyzers we are applying. Now let's see the output of our analyzers. So, let's get the first one. Right. So here we are going to put a document number one, and this is the input. This is the title, right? So if we get the first document, or if we just do search, here we go. So as you can see here, the first analyzer is just tokenize the input, so it didn't do anything. So now let's apply, or let's add another document. Here we go. Now if we run this command again, here we go. Right, now let's run this query and see what's what the output will be, right? So if we do this, so as you can see here, it's all lowercase, right? But if we see here the output, so it's doing, or it's applying the analyzer. So it's here, as we can see, it's change or uppercase the first character from each word, right? You can refer to the documentation to learn more about the analyzers and to see the different type of other analyzers that's built in with Elastic, and also see how you can define your own analyzer. With that being said, we get to the end of this video. We'll see you in the next one.